everyone, it's Debbie with Team OMie, and I am here outside in the beautiful nature. And say hi, Millie.
Hi.
And I'm with my OMies, and we are camping. And I just wanted to share a little message with you guys about the importance of being out in nature right now. Definitely do not social distance yourself from nature, because it is so essential for our well-being. And how, as parents, how do we get the kids out there? We're going to provide you guys with a number of different activities that will spark kids' curiosities and imaginations and foster the qualities necessary to spark a love for investigation and learning. Nature is the most organic way to preserve a sense of wonder in our children. So we will include some links here at the end of this video of different ideas that we have for getting kids outside in nature. And definitely don't forget to go hug one of those trees today. Peace out.